here yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Today we're putting in Jordy's seat. We'll test fitting it, see if he likes it.
The old, I'm gonna skip putting it in because we've been here, done that.
That was a snap, dog. Yeah, it was terrible.
I can't snap. There we go. Thank you. It actually took Jordy like 3 hours, but we're not gonna talk about it. I say that a lot.
I like the blue. Yeah, the blue's kind of hard.
Blue goes hard.
It's a passenger for you.
Yeah, it's mine.
Yeah, you can part in it.
A few moments later.
And just as Jordy went to go test a new seat in the car, he broke his gas pedal. How do you feel?
Goddamn car keeps breaking.
So we will be back to fix that. This isn't the shop. We're at Tractor Supply because Jordy needs a seat bracket for his passenger seat.
We're making a seat bracket for my passengers.
I mean, I think they got that by the steel. This lady doesn't know I'm trying to talk right now. We'll be back at the shop. Okay, we're back at the shop, and before we get started on Jordy's seat rails, I got a package from Free of Drowning.
Look at how sick the packaging is. You've got mail.
You've got mail.
So, I already know what this is, and if you guys aren't aware of the pink dice I have in the Miata, well, the pink die I have now because the other one broke off, I saw Ralph over at Faction, and he told me he was going to send me some new ones. So, here they are. Ooh, these are a nice pink. Definitely a lighter shade than the dice I had before, and I really like them. I actually have to clean the car because this weekend we're heading over to Pandafest, hosted by Los Goonies. They're also collabing with the ETOWN GAMBLER, so it's going to be a drift event, car show. He also sent these cool ass stickers. I think there's 2 of these. Oh, it's me. These are sick. This is definitely going on Jordy's car.
Stealing that, give me that. All right, thanks. Tax payment.
All right, back to Jordy's seat rails.
Clean that chicken grease off that lamb.
Jordy doesn't need the steel anymore.
Ah, I figured it out. I rigged it. See if it's too low for you. That looks pretty good. Here, let's give a Kai's eye point of view.
Kai's eye point of view? Hold on. Right there.
Right there?
Yep.
Oh, that's plenty. Let's see.
Go far away.
Let's finish putting it in. Boone's out in Ohio, but I got Ice about to lay down some fat boogers for me.
Fat boogers, more like slim beads, you know?
Slim bees, alright.
Boone looks a little different here.
A little bigger, a little whiter.
I gotta extend the bracket.
Wouldn't that be a crazy position if I welded it like that? Love me.
Yeah,
Move it off the
good.
table?
I hope you're paying them well. Yeah, I told him to buy him the water.
Oh, look at that. Look how good that looks so far. Jordy, look.
That actually looks really good.
Oh, man.
Snazzy.
Look at that.
That stance is crazy.
It's the working man stuff.
What was this guy doing?
A couple of modifications. I was about to cut Jordy's hair. That would be sick. Ice don't sleep.
I don't sleep. It's a problem.
Good. Check out his SoundCloud. Kai, put it below.
Jordy's gonna put this in, and I'm gonna start cleaning the Miata to prep for Pandafest. I'm still debating if I want to wipe the outside with some detail spray. Most likely will, because I gotta vacuum it for sure though. It's so dirty from work. But first things first, I'm gonna clear everything out. So I skipped ahead and already did the other side, but since I have an official bucket seat now, I had to remove the seat cushion, and look at that. Yucky.
Gross.
Grody.
Alright, get to work.
Wow. Don't mind that. Wow. Have to detail the inside, vacuum the floor mats, put them back in, detail it. So I'm almost done here. My camera's still so dirty. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm almost done here, and Mick and Dita just reminded me about the lab tonight. Everyone hop in. Henry's here too. Danny Phantom. Now that the car's clean, I can put these little bad boys in.
That's a fire hazard, but
You know what? You're a fire hazard.
those don't
Doesn't even
obstruct
make
your
sense,
view.
but it probably does, but it's fine.
I've never sat.
You just gotta look
It's all about
straight.
the
You don't need to
style.
see the sides or nothing.
What do you think of the Danny Duncan, his review on Miatas?
I love Danny Duncan.
I feel like if you're anything like Kai, you should have a Miata.
I don't know if that was a compliment or an insult.
Girls should only own Miatas.
I don't think that's true.
He's calling you.
Low-key.
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying, Kai, this car fits her. Great.
You look good in it.
What if I want?
No.
Sal, hop in.
I'm like 6 feet, so my head's gonna be here.
I want to see you sitting in
Dangerous.
it though.
I don't hate a lot of cars, but Miatas, I just have like a gremlin towards
Get the
them.
f out. Get out.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Get out.
Get the fuck out!
He just silently get in, out. Sal.
Yeah, Sal, get in it.
Get in.
I mean, I could.
Yeah, I don't care. I could.
Look how dangerous that is.
Glasses.
Sal, you look good in this thing.
Dude, I die if we hit a bump.
Wait, just.
That's thumbnail.
That is nuts.
Alright, get out so I can finish cleaning this in the lab. So, scratch that. I'm not gonna go to the lab because my head is actually kind of killing me. I just finished wiping down the entire car. Everyone already left. And I just want to go home and relax after Jordy's done.
I'm still here. I didn't leave yet.
But he's almost done. Seat looks good. Thanks, Big Ice, for welding those in.
MVP of the night, Big Eye.
I'm gonna move my car. Jordy's gonna finish up, and we will see you guys Sunday for Pandafest. Good morning. It's Sunday morning, almost 8 o'clock. We're already in Jersey, slept at our friend's house, and I'm about to start my car. I totally forgot to tell you guys that Jordy did indeed fix his gas pedal problem. Now let's get this show on the road. So nice having wipers again. Quick fit check before we head out for the day. I've been wearing this dress since Canada. And we are off. We're only 5 minutes away from the track, so we should be there shortly. We're here and it's already kind of a I just parked up for the time being. Okay, we finally got a set spot on where we're gonna be. Right next to Njuku. We are all set up, ready to go. Doors open at 12, I think. It's only 9:30. That's crazy. Let's give you a little tour. He's gonna hold it down real quick and we're gonna go for a walk.
Right here we got this piece of Miata.
I know, the wrap is peeling, everything. So we're gonna go all the way to the back row and then make our way back up.
They get two, she gets one.
Got my drink for the day.
You owe me $15.
Yeah, I do. Back to the beach we go. Any other award, this is the best. I do it for the kids. The girls, the gays, and the kids. Might rain, so put up my windows, put up my top, move the boxes in. Let's hope it doesn't, but you never know. My food delivery has arrived. Thanks for letting me know. My favorite person just came to visit. We have to get an interview. We have to.
Oh, yo, Kylie Quinn YouTube channel. Oh, I'm here with my boy, yo, Jordy G193. We're turning it up. I'm Kylie Quinn's number 1 fan. I watch all the videos.
It's my favorite person ever, guys.
Like and dislike sometimes.
Dislike sometimes. You know what? At least you're honest.
I'm kidding. And like all the time.
Jordy, you're in the way of the golf cart.
I gotta save Jordy. Thank God, yo. Jordy almost got ran over by a Lamborghini. I saved him. Lawsuit City. I'm not from there. Population 0. How we doing?
Fire pants.
Come drift. Number 1 drift squad. 15 come.
Hell yeah.
Matching Miata over there.
Can I be part of Team Come Trips?
Yeah, I got you a shirt. Small, just for Jordy. I gotta show off my hips.
rain is here. People are popping the fuck off. Shut the fuck up. Gambler's still going. How cute.
Slide starting. He got a fade entry well before. He is cranked out, and that's not enough. Trevor Root taking that lead lap, going up against Brian Hop. Bull drivers quick in well before that initiation point. Trevor Root launches the outside the Trevor Root's keeping his tire just shy out outside of turn one. Trevor Root, a little left foot brake going down the hill. Bull drivers trying to navigate through that slip and slide going into outside three. Bull drivers doing a fantastic job as Brian Hop is on the back bumper of that BMW. A little punch to that inside clip to try to close the deficit as Trevor Root's car and Brian Hop takes a spin as Trevor Root takes a hot line going into outside four. He holds it together with the BMW going into outside five, the people's car. Trevor Root to chase him down. Both drivers initiate well before that last initiation point. Ira correction. Root started to bark at the side of Brian Hop. Both drivers working on and taking them 235 sink as Trevor Root just trying to stay into the conversation here. Both drivers come down the hill. Trevor Root looks like he's having a major battle. As I say that, Brian Hop exiting stage left, and Root gets the pass and jumps back in front. My man, Trevor Tree.
That's my favorite prospect driver.
We started giving away cake with the purchases. This is still so cute. How's your day? You look wet.
Soaked.
Yeah?
It's soaking wet.
Moist. They are doing awards.
Oh, all right. Next is going to be John, 2008 Evo 10.
Jamar shuts it down. I'm going to call out unchaseable, so this one is out for entertainment purposes. I'm not a judge. I don't actually make the final calls, but Rosowski said I'm still going to bark at you, brother. The chase. Looks like we got tire smoke dumping in the outside one. Luke's line cranks on the angle. Trying to wait for Luke. Luke gave him the room to play. Luke gets to the outside turn one, but Luke's line is shortly behind him. Waiting for one car lane, the matching angle. Mimicking down the hill. The car gets weird. This is the wet wild part. Lewis Line's throwing a whole bunch of tire smoke off. And Luke doing a great job keeping that proximity away from Lewis's Corvette as he navigates the rest of the course. He's doing a good job in a big loose battle. Doing a fantastic job navigating down the hill, and as I say that, he's out. Lewis Lance takes the slip slide.
Looks like since the car show award's been given, everyone's starting to leave.
The rest of y'all, you got signs?
Judges are a little bit late to get in that zone, and Rookie is knocking on the door there in the chase position. Mitch looking really smooth, just kissing the edge of two. He's really, really careful, going a bit wide there in three, but not off course. Doing a nice job on that inner clip. Brewski is not on his way going in out of zone number 4. All the way, Gordon is trying to do his day, Mike. Making a little bit of a straight in there in the lead. Notice he's going to take a look at that and not get it. Over that reference point, and nice and high up into the zone number 6 across the line. That was an OTP given the situation.
I spy with my little eye, Jordy.
All right, away we go. Brian tossing it in super early there. Lots of angle coming up to outer zone number 1. Trevor knocking on his door. He knows there was a bit of an error there. He wants to make sure to assert dominance in the chase. Brian Hop absolutely tossing it in outer 2. And we lost Trevor. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, hang on. Here I come with the rule book again. Technically, and select. Technically speaking. So the first person is 0. 0 is the rest.
Hop loss.
No.
And both drivers initiate. Stevens right to the door. Said, hey, bud, I'm right here. I'm barking at you. He stays in it, a little back off. He had to give him some space as he came in super aggressive. But Stoneback throwing a heater down through outside 2, getting into outside 3. Stoneback, he's mad. He knows he messed up. And Steven is trying to do everything he can to keep into the conversation here as they dump into outside zone number 4. Stoneback keeping an actual in that zone as Steven's closing the gap now, jumping into the hairpin. Steven taking a shallower line, but matching the angle. Stoneback steps on the throttle.
He's gonna have to make a wild move to get back to the side here, and unfortunately, Steven steps on the wall.
Oh no, that is the bad part here of the bank.
Damn, Dad, you choked him out.
Damn, they already packed up without me. I don't have to anymore. I'm clocked out, baby. Clocked out.
Let's go home.
I'm apparently gonna sit in that on the way to. All right, guys, I'm too drunk to drive, so Jordy is driving my car and parking it up. I'm leaving my car here because I have a private track day on Friday. Surprise, surprise. I don't know where he's going with it, but we'll see it soon.
Sitting there, I can't close the door. It's the trailer.
This is my seat. I hope he knows if this falls off, I can't hit the brakes. Can't even reach them. Oh my god, it's winking at me. Back to the Sequoia. We're going home. I already changed. Great ass day. Thank you, Los Goonies, for hosting a grand time. Thank you, ETOWN, for hosting the Gambler. I didn't get to watch, but every drifting clip that you see is from Jordy. So thanks, Jord. We will see you guys next week for my private day. Let's hope I link the track. Please like, comment, subscribe. But see you then.